So what up guys, for this video, tara dinner tayo dito sa Fits on the Lake. Yan, kasama natin sila ate, sila kuya, ta si Ninang Margie. Tara, kain tayo. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito sa loob. So yan guys, tara pasok tayo. So yan pala yung ano nila guys, yung mga table nila dito sa labas. Meron din sa loob, so sa loob muna tayo kakain. So yan, pagpasok mo pa lang, bubungad na sa'yo yung bar nila. Yan, meron ding space dito na maliit para sa mga live band. So yan, hihintay lang natin yung waitress nila.
6 more. 6. 6. And you guys want to sit up here in the bar? Or do you want to sit downstairs in our dining room? The dining room? Dining room? Okay, just wait 1 second.
So guys, may bar din sila dito, yung mga gustong uminom, gustong manood sa mga larong football, ganyan, pwede kayo dyan. Meron din silang mga slot machine dito, yung mga gustong maglaro. So yan, may sticker din sila ng football dyan, mga player nila dito. So bali guys, ito yung sa baba, sa ano nila, kainan. Meron din yun sa labas guys, yung nadaanan natin kanina.
I want to add 2 orders of wings to barbecue.
Barbecue pasta or just barbecue on the side for Dunkin'?
On the side.
Okay, so 2 wings and 2 calamari.
Some shrimp too.
What's it?
Some shrimp too.
What?
Shrimp.
Oh, shrimp. Okay, and how do you like it done? Coconut, beer batter, saute, or scallions?
Coconut.
Okay. Sorry, it's just loud in here. I can't hear. Okay, what would you like?
I'll have the ribeye.
The ribeye? How do you like your steak done?
Medium rare.
Do you want to add any mushrooms or onions?
No.
Para makita yung subo natin din dyan.
Because I told her to. Out and everything. And then my mom tried to order it on Amazon and it got sent to her house and she tried it again.
New York strip with a baked potato and then I'm sorry, mushroom and onion.
Yes. Thank you. What I got? What I got?
Alright, I got the New York. Hash browns yours.
What you got?
And coconut shrimp.
Chan, 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 chan.
Here's the coconut shrimp for you.
Thank you.
Alright. Is there anything else I can get for you guys right away?
Can I get a root beer?
A root beer?
Well, thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate that.
So we're done. We're done. We're done here, guys. Yan guys, tapos na kaming mag-dinner. So pauwi na kami. By the way, thank you sa pagsama sa amin sa dinner. So thank you guys sa panonood din. Thank you.